Well, let me do a one wheel inside of the Bradley house Airbnb in the backyard. I'll check it out, you guys. So here we go. This is the backyard. I'm one wheeling it. There's Jack's. There's the lawn. There's the actual Airbnb home. It's basically a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom home. It's got things for the kids, beautiful porch. There's the entrance. People normally park out here, and then you come around, and then there's a home. And so you come in. I'm on the one wheel, so it's kind of wiggly. Anyway, that's the game room right there. There's the backyard. And there's the garage slash, yeah, I guess that's Chris's garage. And that's a storage area. In the garage you have, looks like a car. Excuse me, Jax. Watch out, Jax. It's like a Mustang here. Sorry about that, you guys. This is Chris's outhouse he's working on. There's Chris working on something again. And I feel bad because I'm just basically going in circles in his garage. I feel bad. I'm helping him. Or hell. I helped him earlier, so let's go back outside. So we're gonna go back outside and I'll show you the rest of the yard. That's more of the yard right here. That's a storage facility, I guess. This is an area where you can park the RV. There's a gate right there, and there's also a gate over there, so people can park their RVs right here. And there's a backyard for the Airbnb. Very awesome property. Multiple areas where you can have bonfires. There's a fire pit right here. Check this little guy out. What do you think? Can you guys have the fire pit there? I think you can. So let's find the other fire pit. So if you go here on the yellow brick road, well, the white brick road, there's another fire thing right there. Right there. So you can sit there and the fire pit. Let me turn around here. So there's multiple places to sit, multiple places, you see, everywhere. And there's a lot of antiques to look at and keep yourself occupied. There's antiques all over the house, all over the property, indoor and outdoor. I'm just showing you the outdoor antiques and memorabilia. And here is Captain Morgan. Chris just got that recently. Really historic place. A lot of post-industrial things, and it has a very automotive feel to it. Hot rod, automotive slash industrial feel. Something so relaxing here is the nature, the wind, and the overall feeling of just being, open, free. Even the sign, the Coca-Cola sign is kind of old. It's Chris again. And then there's a little thing right there. There's the outhouse. Oh, in fact, let me show you the outhouse. That is an outhouse, but there's a regular toilet in there. Pretty cool, huh? And there's another place you can park your cars right here, where the old antique cars are right there, you see. And this is just a facade out here, but people park their cars right there too. So anyway, that's it from the Bradley home. So got the one wheel tour. Hope you enjoyed it. Talk to you later.